shushu tumela Akere mapanga shushu tumela Nebhakabhaka liwinile iPirates Hlaphe support wabafundisi Hallelujah
I'm even honored to be a Pirates fan. It's even in my CV.
What did you say?
U10 mfana kithi.
I'm even honored to be a Pirates fan. It's even in my CV. Oh, it has to be there. I understand. It has to be there.
Kusukele maphakadeni uma ngabe kukhulunywa ngebhola laseMzansi South African football worldwide uyazi kukhulunywa ngama team amabili it's Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs
Uyabona iqiniso lelo.
Phela iPirates iklub endala iChiefs ndiyamanje
Hayi suka
Nonsense
1937 it was originated Yabona angiyiphathi indaba eSundowns ngempela ukufika manje Sundowns
Yasoyeta
Usupport iSundowns kathi ukuphola lonke
Ayizimnyama ngenkani
Uzawona ukuthi inkande yani
Melemuza
yani inkande wavele imnyama siyayibona inkani ke sokungeyani
Awumile mbuzweni amaphakajuju ke mkhulu
Hey guys niya notice ukuthi ever since kwafika uXolani lo wesizokuthola kwafika nomkhwanazi iOrlando Pirates bayibetha abayibethi bayibhalisa iobituary
Uswele ukuthi utheni?
lo muntu lento ayikhuluma yangizwa
They are already writing our obituary.
bathi sibhalele wena iobituary uzosho ba wafa nini
uyahlangela lo
wawuzalwe nini wakhula nobani amabhanga akho aphansi uwafundephi
Hawu kanjani manje kanjani
yemtasi lento ayiqalanga lapho
Niqale nini ke
niyakhumbula ugovernment evula intsangu wathi ugovernment intsangu mayibe semthethweni umuntu esimbone ephethe intsangu asisazombopha ngoba intsangu seyivumelekile
Please don't interrupt it, guys, please.
yayingawini Orlando Pirates yayigila umhlola yayingawini yayingabhekani na game
Qonda ukufika lento eshort
ukufika kwamkhwanasi noXolani wesizokuthola balwa nama drugs kwaboshwa abantu kwayale Orlando Pirates dololo
Hayi isingoma isingoma
wamemeza uHezekiya ethi
Ibambe lapho impela ibambe lapho
Hawukele mina.
Word of the day
ngaphandle kweKaizer Chiefs neOrlando Pirates then ibhola laseMzansi kalikho
She got me singing. Whoa. 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 Come on.
No one here is safe.
Tango